Is at which Indus Valley civilization site was the Great Bath discovered? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. The next question is which metal was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is iron. The next question is what is the current status of Indus Valley civilization script? The correct answer is undeciphered. The next question is the famous bronze statue known as the Dancing Girl was discovered at which Harappan site? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. The next question is at which Harappan site have archaeologists discovered evidence of fire altars? The correct answer is Kalibangan. The next question is which is the largest known site of Indus Valley civilization discovered so far? The correct answer is Rakhi Ghadi. The next question is which civilization is also popularly known as the Harappan civilization? Correct answer is Indus Valley civilization. The next question is which crop is believed to have been first cultivated by the people of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is cotton. The next question is who discovered the Harappan site of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is Dayaram Sahini in the year 1921. The next question is which animal is generally absent from the seals of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is horse. The next question is which Harappan site is known for its unique water conservation and reservoir system? The correct answer is Dholavira. Which Indus Valley civilization site is located on the banks of Ravi River? The correct answer is Harappa. The next question is the people of Indus Valley civilization mainly worshipped which deity according to archaeological evidence? The correct answer is Mother Goddess. The next question is which Harappan city often referred to as the Manchester of the Indus Valley civilization due to its beads and craft industries? The correct answer is Chanhudaro. The question is which of the following was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is agriculture. The next question is which Harappan site is situated in present-day Gujarat and is famous for beads making industries? The correct answer is Lothal. The next question is the houses of Indus Valley civilization were mainly built using which material? The correct answer is burnt bricks. The next question is which feature best reflects the advanced urban planning of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is drainage system. The next question is Harappan site located in present-day Rajasthan. The correct answer is Kalibangan. The next question is which Harappan site has the evidence of stadium-like structure? The correct answer is Dholavira. The next question is which foreign civilization had trade relations with the Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is Mesopotamian civilization. The next question is which Harappan site was discovered by the archaeologist R.D. Banerjee in 1922? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. The next question is which Indus Valley site had the world's oldest known dockyard? The correct answer is Lothal. The next question is a 4,000-year-old civilization used standardized weights for trade. Which civilization was it? The correct answer is Indus Valley civilization. The next question is which animal appears most frequently on Indus Valley seals despite never being seen in real life? The correct answer is unicorn. Question is what is the biggest mystery of Indus Valley civilization that historians still cannot solve? Answer is their language and script.